So guys, it might just happen. In a year where Apple will reveal 3 all-new iPhone X models, by far the biggest excitement surrounds the budget-friendly one. And now new information suggests this really is the iPhone we should be saving our money on. Yeah guys, Elixir, a case maker, exposed new renders of Apple's entry-level iPhone X spin-off as well as CAD drawings showing off its remarkably compact design. At this point, it is worth pointing out mobile's fund source is once again case maker Elixir. This is a good news because Elixir is acclaimed for leaking accurate designs of the iPhone X, Galaxy S9, Galaxy Note 8, Galaxy Note 7 and iPhone 7 well ahead of launch. So you can trust on their designs as well as their leaks. So what do we learn? That this is new affordable iPhone X might just be the model millions of users have been waiting for. In short, Elixir's new images shows a hybrid of original iPhone SE metal chassis but update with a gloss back for wireless charging and bezel-less iPhone X stylus front with Face ID notch. As with the iPhone X, Touch ID has been removed to allow the screen to be enlarged and bezel-less. But there is two confusions. The number one is whether this is a 5-inch iPhone SE2. The number two is or larger model, sometimes referred to the iPhone X SE. Neither name is likely to be official one. Mobile Fun has obtained a pair of CAD drawings which shows the new iPhone has the same size as the previous iPhone SE, but this one is bezel-less and this one has a notch on the top. This strongly suggests Apple is working on a 5-inch design. This is backed up by Mac Oktakara's latest sources, while the ever-credible On Leaks is also hearing the same thing, though he cannot as yet confirm the reports. Personally, I still have many doubts that Apple would bring so much technology to the budget model of the range. But if Apple is indeed planning to launch iPhone X inspired models at 5 inches or 5.8 inches and a widely expected 6.5 inch monster, then I expect fans will be very happy. So this is the confirmed design of the next Apple. It could be the iPhone SE2 or the larger iPhone X SE. So what's your thoughts on this? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.